Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So I've received two parcels or two packages from the same person in the post. This is from Janie McRary from Granite Falls. I'm not sure what state that's in. North Carolina, NC, so in the United States. So I'm going to open this smaller one first and then I'll open the box to see what's in it. So Ian's out at the moment. He's gone out on some errands. So I wasn't expecting this Happy Mail at all, so I had no idea this was coming. Sometimes people let me know that they've posted something. Ooh. Cool. So, Halloween stash. How good is that? So we've got some Halloween papers, some 6x6s, 6" by 6, well, like those ones. Like those, and some napkins. Halloween napkins. Oh, I think I've torn that one. Whoops. But it's a good job you get more than one on each side, isn't it? And of course there's more than one napkin. Brilliant stuff. Absolutely fantastic. Love them. Absolutely. And the spider cider. Yes. Seen these. I think I saw these last year. I thought they were really, really cute. I'm loving the one with the skulls on, particularly when I've just done some projects with some skulls as well. And I've started my Halloween shopping. I know. And I've got a full-size one, again, to play with this year when I do my 7 days of Halloween project. So, skulls may feature quite heavily in this year's 7 days of Halloween. How exciting. Okay, so now we have the box. Obviously I've covered up Janie's address. So Janie, those napkins are cool. I've not seen that skull one before. So that's just perfect. Make sure I'm not cutting my fingers. Just pop that top back on the knife. Oh, somebody's at the door. Back in a second. Okay, I'm back. It was one of the neighbours. Oh, there's a little card in here, so let's have a quick read of that just to make sure there's nothing in there that's too personal. Oh, how cute. To have a look. Ah, so it says, so sorry to hear about your robbery. Just glad you, Ian and Mr. B weren't hurt. No, sending you some Halloween goodies. Enjoy more Halloween goodies. Yay. How cool. So what we got in here? Oh my goodness. No way. Fantastic. Mr. Bendy, what are those? What are those? No, it doesn't like them. A pair of eyeballs. Oh, I'm going to really have to fight to keep these away from Ian. Oh, good grief. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, excellent. Some skulls, been painted black and then had dry brushed in silver. Cool. Like those, just put them there for the time being, and I can see there's even more in here. Look. Oh. My word. Look at all these little skulls. Fantastic. And those eyeballs. Oh no, Ian is going to go nuts. He loves eyeballs, absolutely loves eyeballs. Those are so cool. And more googly eyes. Look at those. Googly monster eyes. Love googly eyes. Absolutely adore googly eyes. What have we got here? So we've got some clips. I don't know whether these are hair clips or, but these are obviously butterflies or Halloween moths with the glitter. Very cool. Oh, a little dangly skelly bob. Is that a coffin? Fold out coffin? Yes, Mr. Bentley. What is it? It's a skelly bob, isn't it? Just showing Mr. Bentley. is stood by my side. So I wonder if there's a little coffin in there as well. Don't want to open it just yet, but I think there's a little fold out coffin. That's cool. And then what do I have here? Oh, some more clips. Bats, look at those. Cool. And some foam. Hang on, what's this? Is that another Skelly Bob? It is another Skelly Bob. They're ever so cute. I like those. And what's this in here? Oh my word. Oh my word. It's fabric? Yes. Can you smell? He's sniffing. It's not food. He's looking at me as if it's like, oh, where's the food? Where's the treats? There's no treats in here, darling. But oh my word, look at this. It's beautiful. There's lots and lots of sunflower fabric. Just look at that. That is amazing. It's beautiful. And of course, this one too, the black background, love it. With the big flowers on. But there must be a full yard metre too on this. I can't show the full thing, but there you go. One full, yes, thank you. A full screen of that there. Look at that. That'd make a great computer desktop, wouldn't it? Love it. Just think of what I could do with that. I could make, there's probably enough there to actually make a waistcoat or a vest. Tie, dicky bow tie, pocket square, rag tie, and maybe get a couple of journals out of that. That is absolutely stunning. Love, love, love that. Love, love, love that. In fact, I love everything. Janie, thank you so much for this fantastic Halloween Happy Mail. That's just unbelievable. Very, very generous. Thank you so, so much. Let's just bring those big... Oh, sorry. Okay. Didn't see that before. He'll be thrilled. Thank you so much. Absolutely fantastic. Janie, once again, thank you so much for sending that happy mail. Really, really do appreciate it, and it's it's made an old man very happy. Thank you. I'm probably going to make two old men very happy.